For the movie.
Whose movie?
Hello, our movie. Biggest challenge, I think, would have been the locker push. Because every performer is different in the way that they want to handle a violent situation. Trying to get them both in the right headspace, making sure they were both super comfortable and felt super safe, and knowing at any time if you guys weren't happy with it, tell me and we'll stop that and we'll fix it to however you as a performer wanted. But we got through it easy. They were troopers. They sell it really, really well in the final production, so I'm happy with how it came out for them. And I'm happy that, from what I understand, they felt safe and enjoyed actually doing it in the end. So one of the most amazing things we did was in the very end of the movie, with having Reece flying just even a couple of inches off the ground. Originally was planned we were just going to do a lift off of the sign, but we came up with a better solution, because that is really was a big stunt that we were able to pull off in a tiny little situation. And then same thing, getting to work with Zeus, doing his fall. That was simple looking on camera, because it looks like he's falling, but the choreography of making sure it was safe, getting all of the kids around to react and move out of the way subtly before things happened, that was an exciting thing to get to do with them as well.